guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I welcome you all to Olubest Creative Studio. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make glass effect on CorelDraw. So stay with me guys. So I have my image here already. Guess who I'm bringing on? Ta-da! We have Samuel Banks and Rufa in a studio. So we are going to make use of this image for the glass effect. So stay with me guys. So before I go, did you know you can get this portrait, this exact portrait, without choosing your rectangle shape, rectangle tool? You can either choose landscape or you want portrait, but either of the two, you can easily come down to rectangle tool, then double click on it. You click twice on it, there you have your portrait. So now I'm going to power clip this image inside the portrait. So to do that, you just need to right click on the image like this, then you drag it on top of the portrait, then you drop it. Here you have your power clip inside. So you can manually do it like this. Can you see? Can you see the power clip? So moving on, you remove the outline, and before I proceed, I need to show you how to get inside the power clip to edit the image. So you hold down your control key, then you click on the image like this. That's how you get in. And to get outside of the power clip again, you can manually click on this finish editing object, or you hold down your control key again, then you click outside the page. That's how you get out of the power clip. So now I need to fit this image to the page like this, and that is it. And you hold down your control key again, you click outside the page to go back outside the power clip. So now to focus on what we are here for today is the glass effect. So I'm going to make use of circle shape. So now you drag down your circle, draw it anyhow you want it, and place it wherever you want it. So I'm placing mine at the center of them. So moving on, we need to duplicate this circle like 2 or 3. Yes, let's duplicate 3. So now the next thing to do is get inside the power clip again to copy that image, because we need to paste the same image into the circle that we are using for the glass, which I place in the middle. So now to get inside of this, because we need to paste the image to align with the image on the page already. I don't think you understand. I need to paste that image inside this circle that we are using for the glass, and it needs to align with the image at the page already. So now I'll just make use of this circle again, then you power clip the circle inside the circle that we are using for the glass like this. So after getting in, you can just delete the object because we don't need it. All we need to do is to paste the image to align with the one at the page already. So now that is it. So the next thing to do now is to blur the image. So you navigate down to your bitmap, then navigate to Gaussian blur. I think you can see it. The automatic way to do this is Alt B G. So there you have your Gaussian blur to set. So let's change this to 3.5. No, let's do 3. Let me preview it first. I think this is okay. This is fine. So now moving on, I need to tell you guys one thing about this glass effect. I have 3 methods of getting this glass effect. So I will just try the 2, then we proceed with 1. Do you understand? So what I will just do now is do the first method, which is the drop shadow method. So you navigate down to your drop shadow, then you pick small glow. That's the small glow around the circle. So you change the color to white. Then you easily adjust the glow. Can you see it? You can adjust it anyhow you want it to your perfect taste. So tell me this does not look like a glass. Just tell me. So now that is that about the first method. So now let's try the second method, which is when the remaining duplicate circle comes in. So now you need to give this circle white color, then you remove the outline. So we need to bring this white circle and this glass effect together. So to do that, you hold down your shift key and click on the glass effect. Then you press C and E. I mean letter C and E. So that is centralize and equalize. So now we need to send this white circle to the back of the glass effect. So to do that, just right click on the object and you navigate to order like this. Then to the back one, you just click the back one. So now this is the sensitive part of this second method. You see that tiny white line that is showing? That is the white circle that we sent back of the glass effect, and that is what makes it look like a glass. As tiny as it is, you should not drag it, you should not make it bigger, just like that. So now moving to the third method, and with the third method we take it up from there. So now the third method is kind of similar to the second method. So now give the circle the same white color, then you remove the outline as we did to the second method. So now again we bring the white circle and the glass effect together again as we did. So now again we sent it back as we did to the second method, but here we need to drag it outside a bit, just a bit. Yes, exactly, just a bit, like this. It should not be more than this. So now you will navigate down to your transparency tool. Yes, transparency tool. Then you drag it down from the top. Drag it down exactly. Can you see? Can you see how we are getting our glass effect? Let me know in the comment section. I want to know which method do you think is the best. So now moving on, you drag it. I mean, you can adjust it anyhow you want it, but as you can see how I did mine, this is perfect. This is so perfect for what we need. So to the last circle standing, of course it has its own purpose why I kept it there all along. So you can choose any color you want. I'll choose white, then you remove the outline. So now you need to bitmap this object before we achieve what we want. You bitmap it. The shortcut to do that is just B, or you manually do it like this, convert to bitmap. So after that, you navigate back to the bitmap, then you head down to noise, then you click on add noise. It's perfect like this. 50-50 is okay. Preview it if it's okay for you, but 50-50 it's fine. Then you click OK. So now we need to power clip this noise effect inside the glass effect. So you just drag it down on top of the glass effect, then you get in. You adjust it to align with the glass effect shape. So now you navigate down to your transparency tool again, you click on it, then at the left top you choose uniform, and that is it. But we need to make it more transparent. So to do that, we need to increase this number right here. So let me press 90. So then click OK. As you can see now, there we just have our perfect glass effect. Let me zoom out. Can you see it? So guys, like I said already, I want to know in the comment section which of these three methods you think worth the glass effect and which one is better. So I will not just end it all like that. I will just type Arike pre-order X profile into the glass effect. So please guys, thank you for watching. Please, I need you all to subscribe to my channel. Please like and comment. Thank you all. And don't forget to turn on the notification for more tutorials and design tips. See you next time. Peace out.